Hi. Today we will learn how to clean PC junks and temp files with Run menu via some commands. Press Windows and R, Run will appear. Type temp, and enter. You see 182 files are here. Now simply delete them. Some files won't be deleted cause they are open. Again, come to Run and type %temp%. Enter. Simply delete in the same way. Then go with Recent. All of my recents are opened, thus won't be deleted. But will yours? Finally, prefetch. Delete. If I go to Recycle Bin, you will find all the files deleted from the system as junk and temp. Now simply delete them forever. This is how you can simply delete unwanted junk and temp files from your PC without any software just by Run menu. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.